Hey guys, I accidentally left my slime out and it dried up on one side but not this side. So let's do some ASMR poking. But it was the Goo Goo slime. This is ASMR. So let's get right to it. I'm going to use the back of a pencil. Guys, I peeled as much off as I could of the shell, so now we're just going to throw that in the container and put a bunch of water. Same pencils last time, and I'm just going to use this as my mixing wand. I got this container from Five Below, and I got this stuff from an old squishy that popped. I tried making it into slime, but it just isn't the same consistency, so I just put it in this container. And I added a bunch of lotion to it, so it's basically lotion. Lotion soup. I forgot I had the pencil. So now we're just lotioned up. I'm going to pour water in until it's completely covered. As you can see, that's all water. So, come back tomorrow for day 2 of trying to fix my dried out slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And this time, we're not going to leave this out. Hopefully I remember. This is a better idea. ASMR.